Hello, everybody. It is Sweet Crypto here, and today we're going to be going over episode 3 of turning $1,000 to $10,000. Now, oh man, is this going to be a big episode for today? So many things have happened, guys. You have no idea. No idea. I'm going to show you guys what happened, what's going on. But first, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video. It helps me out a lot and to keep the series going. Second of all, follow my Twitter because why not? I tweet some stuff, which is cool. And let's get into the episode. So, a lot of projects are up and down today, but who really cares about that? Now, we're going to be talking about my transactions and what I've done and the projects minting because there were so many projects minting this week. Oh my gosh. Last time I updated you guys on the series was like 3 days ago. So, there's so many projects that minted in 3 days and what went on and everything that's inspired and whatnot. Uh, First of all, projects like Crocs, Dino Babies. I tried to get into Dino Babies. Let me just say today, minting for 0.005 ETH. This would literally be the floor is 1.9. This would literally be a 0.14 ETH profit. So that's like, what is that? That's literally a $500 profit, something like that. $400 profit. I tried to get into it. I was at a basketball game today, so I could not get into it. I was playing a basketball game, so unfortunately I missed that big drop, which got me mad, but I heard it was very hard to get into anyway, so yeah. So that's enough with that. We want to talk about what I actually did. Now, a lot of things minted, and I'm going to go show my activity before you see all that stuff there. So, what did I get into? Well, let me tell you guys. I got into a ton of stuff. I did a ton of flipping. Well, not a ton of flipping, but a little bit of flipping and whatnot. So, we're going to scroll all the way down here. Let's go all the way down here. Okay. All right. So, you don't need to worry about any of this. I'm working on a current project right now. Okay. So, I think this is where I'm at, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. We're at the right spot. I'm pretty sure. Right? Yep. Right spot. Yep. All right. So, I did sell. Oh yeah, I did sell this Doodle Punk right now, right there. This is where we left off. I'm pretty sure. Did not. I sold it for 1.288 ETH, which I did. I think I broke even. Right? I actually profited. Okay. So I profited barely anything, but I did profit. I'm pretty sure it's break even because of fees. But that's what happened with that. And then if we go up here, this project called Lab Rats dropped, and they were very cheap, 2 mint, and I got 2. So I got the 17th and 16th, as you can see right here. Now, the 16th was not revealing, right? And it was an automatic reveal. So I decided to list the 17th to break even. So this one right here was actually rare. I could have sold it for a lot more. Unfortunately, as you can see, a ton of views, and someone bought it instantly. It was the first one to sell. So I minted this for 0.045. I was on the whitelist, and I sold it for 0.1 ETH. I basically broke even with the whole project, even if I didn't sell my second one. Unfortunately, I did sell it for that much. I probably could have sold it for like 1.2, but it's doing okay. I mean, they have a lot more plans, and I like the project. It's pretty cheap, the floor price, so maybe it's a sweep. But my other one, I found out that I got the rarest one of the whole collection. Isn't that hilarious? So I first listed it for like 10 ETH, then I changed it to 6.5 before. And I'm like, I'm just asking for way too much. 2 is very generous, very generous. So I probably could go up to 3-4 ETH in probably like a week or something like that. So if you want to swoop it up, I'm not telling you guys obviously, but yeah. So a lot of people are interested in it, and that'd be awesome if it could sell for 2 ETH, because then we're almost there. So yeah, so that's really cool. Obviously that's massive. I'm literally not even in for NFTs for like the rarity and whatnot. So that happened, right? So basically, I break even, right? And yeah, I sold it for, as you can see here, 500 bucks. Yeah. And I try to get into this drop right here. Now the Shiba drop, I tried to go into the public sale because I did not get whitelisted. And oh my, it's already up to 6.6. So they minted this for 0.3. It got sold out in the whitelist, so I had no chance. So I just offered a bunch. Obviously, people declined. And then these ghetto sharks. Oh yeah, they're not part of the challenge. Sorry, my bad. So then Fat Cats was launching, right? And I made a video on them because I'm on the whitelist, and I did give away a whitelist, and they were launching. So I minted 2 for the price of 0.12, I believe, and I got the 143rd, 142nd. Now I did list this one for 0.083 to kind of, maybe get like 20% to break even, but I'm like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So I canceled listing like instantly, or yeah, very very close, as you can see, like 3 hours apart. And because I thought, it's a 143rd one, I think Fat Cats could be a pretty big project, and so I wanted to keep it. I wanted to see what reveal I got, because I almost, that other one that I got, but the floor price is not that low. I mean, it's not bad, and a lot of more people. It's in the whitelist right now. The public sale is coming out tomorrow, so this is why you see barely anything. So I minted 2 of those, and then what happened is, as you guys maybe know, maybe not know, Squishy Squad NFT, as you know, the owner of this, sorry for that loud noise, as you know, the owner of this, basically, Bento Boy on YouTube or Twitter, you can go follow him, and he launched, or I would say launched the idea and the project of, if you own one of these squishies, you'll basically have access to bots, like minting bots and whatnot. So I'm like, oh, that's really cool. Now, the bots are cool, but that wasn't the main reason why I bought this squishy, right? I swept, one from the floor, which was 0.08, the cheapest one, and I'm like, well, this video just came out. Thank God I watched this, because people are going to be buying these to get the bot access. So I bought one. I should have bought 2. I only had enough to buy 1. I was, if I had more, I would buy 2. But again, I only had enough to buy 1. So my theory's playing out. Floor price rose to 0.114. I think it could easily go to 0.15. So I'm going to keep on holding on. Maybe sell 0.15, but unfortunately, I couldn't have got 2. That would have been an easy flip. And then one of the bots showed that these lab rats, this cool project lab rats, came out, and I minted it for, I want to say 0.08, and basically I'm putting it up for 0.11. I did have it at 0.15, and I'll basically make a tiny bit, maybe like $100 or something like that, a profit. But I kind of wish I didn't mint it. I mean, it's really cool, the project, don't get me wrong. Floor price is down, but I kind of wish I didn't mint it. That's fine, though. Hopefully I could sell it. Maybe I sell it for a little bit of a loss, but I'm going to keep it at that for now. But that's basically where I'm at. So we could see, I only have $34 in my wallet, so barely anything. There's a lot more projects minting, so I need these to sell. I really do need these to sell. Because tomorrow, I believe, is the 20th, so another project I will be minting tomorrow and whatnot. So, we're looking nice in project depth, but yeah, I may have to flip this squishy, which I'm fine doing, but like I prefer holding it till it goes up to 0.15, but we'll see where it goes. I need some more funds to go on the minting and whatnot, but yeah, maybe I pull off some flips and whatnot. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope y'all like this series. Make sure to like and subscribe. See y'all later. Peace out.